Dear students, today we are going to solve an example. Before we start to solve an example, that is to be read 2 to 3 times. So, the area of a bottom of a tiffin box is a 0.25 square meter and weight is 50 Newton. Calculate the pressure exerted by the box on the shelf. So here is an example of a tiffin box by which pressure is exerted. So first of all, I will find what things are given in the example. So here is a area is given. Area of a bottom of a tiffin box, that is a 0.25, and weight of that tiffin box is 50 Newton. And what I have to find? I have to find out the pressure which is exerted by that tiffin box. So now I got one thing, that is a given. What are the given? That is the area of a tiffin box and weight of the tiffin box, which I am going to mention. So here is a given, that is a first of all area, denoted by A, that is a 0.25 square meter, and another one weight, denoted by W, and it is a 50 Newton. And what is asked? Pressure is asked. That is why pressure is equal to question mark. So is it possible to solve directly? Yes, it is possible to solve directly if we have a formula, and I have that is a pressure is equal to force upon area. So here I am writing pressure is equal to force upon area, and making bracket to it, because this is a formula. Dear students, remember always formula have to be written in a bracket. Now I am going to put a value of these all into it. So pressure is equal to, what is the force? Force is given in the form of a weight. That is why it is a force is a 50 Newton. 50 Newton, and area is 0.25 square meter. And now I am going to solve, but by observing carefully I found it is an equation, because left hand side there is a term pressure, and on the other hand there is a 50 Newton divided by 0.25 square meter. In between there is a sign of an equality. That is why this is an equation. So when I observe carefully, I found at a numerator place there is an integer, and at a denominator place there is a fractional number. In order to solve this equation, this integer is to be converted into the fractional number, or this fractional number is to be converted into the integer. So for my convenience, it is easy to convert this fractional number into the integer by displacing this fraction number. So here it is, when I make a movement, or I replace this decimal point to the integer, so that become a 500 Newton, and this fractional number become integer, and that is a 25 square meter. Now these all become, this numerator as well as denominator are in integer form. Now it is possible to solve. That is why 25 ones are 25, 25 200 is 500, and that is why 200 Newton per square meter. So here it is 200 Newton per square meter. What it is? It is a pressure which is applied by the tiffin box on the shelf. So here is a pressure which is applied by the tiffin box is 200 Newton per square meter.